What's the deal? It's January 31st, 2021. I have 87 shares of Nokia, 36 shares of AMC, 2 shares of Carnival CUK, not CCL. Carnival's a dual traded company, so it does have 2 ticker symbols. I have 7 shares of Innovative Industrial Properties, which is a long-term investment. I did sell Grow Generation. I had 45% of my portfolio in Grow Generation. What I did, I sold it, and I got AMC and Nokia shares. That's what I did. Before we move on, I do want to give a shout out to the best stock crew in the whole multiverse. This group is called Puro Stonks. So shout out Evelyn, shout out Ben, shout out Mauro, shout out Edgar, shout out George, shout out Jesus. These people are a great group of people. We like to make them tendies. We like to have fun. Shout out to Emily, Argelio. It's a great group of people. We're actually hoping to turn this into a very well organized group on Discord. Shout out to Carlos. Shout out to Daniel Jose.
3 racks, my nigga.
Add 1 more zero.
20 fucking racks.
Drop it in that
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Damn, bro. Oh, shit.
Say less.
Damn it, boy. Oh.
Done.
And right there. God damn.
In the last video I did where I showed my portfolio, I did have 5 shares of IIPR. This is a long-term investment. I'm not trading IIPR. That's why you see no sales here. I did first get in at 155, and that was on December 2nd. Then I bought another share at 187.22 on December 21st. Then I bought another share at 186.08 at December 29th. On that same day, I bought another share at 180.63. Then on January 15th, I bought another share at 185.88. On January 28th, 2021, that is, I bought another share for $187.98. And then on January 29th, 2021, I bought another share at $187.29. My average price is $181.44. My total cost is $1,270. And it's 58.5% of my portfolio. This stock is a REIT, and it does pay a dividend of $4.96 a year per share. I have 2 shares of Carnival CUK. I first got in at $12. Then I sold at $18.06. Then I got back in at $16.96. Sold at $18.86. Then I bought one at $18.31. Started averaging down. Sold 16 shares at $17.94. Then bought back in at $16.98 for 1 share. Then I started averaging down. And then I sold those shares at $16.22 for a slight loss. And they were 11 shares. Right now my position ratio is 1.4% for this stock. I have 36 AMC shares and 87 Nokia shares. We won't really get into the history of those stock trades because I just grabbed them at whatever price they're at. I'm not trying to make money off of that. I was up 90% in my portfolio, right? I took those gains of 90% and I put them into AMC and Nokia. That's what I did. And, my chart's going down a little bit, but you know what? I don't care. I really don't care. Because the billionaire hedge funds, they have this system rigged. And I got really pissed off when I was trying to buy AMC and Webull stopped me from doing that. That's when I got pissed off, sold all my Grow Generation shares that I had $1,000 worth. Sold them for, a slight profit. And actually Grow Generation dipped. After I sold, Grow Generation dipped to $42. So right now it's at 42 something. But you know what? Like I said, I don't care about the gains right now. Okay. We got diamond hands. I'm holding AMC, holding Nokia. Like I said, I threw all my profit into those stocks. But we will talk about my profits and losses real quick because I am very transparent. By the way, give me a like, subscribe to this channel. No one likes to show their whole portfolio completely. I show everything I do because, I like people to learn off of my mistakes and my gains. So anyway, so far, at Current Corp, I've made $565.25. Grow Generation, $132.09. Innovative Industrial Properties, long-term investment, I made $44.72. GameStop, I made $32.57 right before the crazy Wall Street hype started happening. So Carnival, I made $20.84. Tillery, $18.05. Canopy Grove, $16.72. Lyft, I made $13.40, and the rest, is right there. You can see. My biggest loss was Nokia so far and AMC, but like I said, I don't care. I don't give up. I don't care right now. I'm holding, got them diamond hands. I'm trying to get them tendies, and if I don't get them tendies, you know what? We're making history. AMC to the moon, GME to the moon, Nokia, Bed Bath Beyond, all to the moon, baby. According to Webull, I'm up 97.7%. Yeah, this is historical. This is gonna be in history books. This is not something that happens every day. Take a look at this. Acting Attorney General Monty Wilkinson. Dear Acting Attorney General, I am greatly troubled with the events that have unfolded on Wall Street and demand action from the U.S. Department of Justice. Today, a FINRA-regulated broker-dealer called Robinhood Markets, Inc. halted the purchase of stocks for several publicly traded companies, including GameStop, BlackBerry, AMC, and others. This unilateral move was done so in a concerted effort to deplatform and silence individual investors. This began when an investment management fund called Melvin Capital Management placed an aggressive short sale on the company GameStop. To contradict this decision, the heavily followed Reddit page R Wall Street Bets and their administrators. This is so hilarious. This is hilarious. And their administrators advocated that their followers purchase GameStop stock using the broker Robinhood. The movement was so immense that it drove the stock price to over 400% of its previous value. As a result, Melvin Capital lost billions on the return, and Robinhood blocked users from buying any more of GameStop stock, but still allowed liquidation. Of course, liquidation means they allowed to sell but not to buy, giving the short sellers what they want. Melvin Capital Management is owned by the parent company Citadel LLC, which, according to a Bloomberg report, gave Robinhood roughly 40% of the revenue. Knowing the involvement Citadel has with Robinhood, it is clear the actions taken today were motivated by anti-competitive reasons, not for concerns of volatility claimed by Robinhood. Because of this blatant conflict of interest and obvious monopolistic activity, I am calling on an immediate investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice into Robinhood and the hedge fund of Citadel LLC. Sincerely, Paul A. Gosser. When hedge fund billionaires move markets, they get huge bonuses. When ordinary Americans move market, they get shut down by Wall Street. The system is rigged. Yeah, it's by Robert Reich. He's basically saying that because even Webull halted me from trading AMC. Robinhood's halting everybody from trading GME and also those other stocks, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, so on. This guy says, remember when senators got coronavirus briefings before the public and sold off millions of dollars in stocks before the crash last year and faced no consequences and no regulation? Then Reddit made one stock into a meme, and they're talking about restructuring the whole market. Yeah, they're cheating. These billionaires are cheating. They locked us up, shut down the economy, and gave us 1,200. What did Americans do? They decided their favorite new video game is with hedge funds. I've never been prouder. That was by Bridget Fitisi. Tweet by Bridget Fitisi. That's hilarious. Yeah, watch this. Important information about your Robinhood account. In light of recent volatility, this is the crucial. This pisses me the hell off. This right here. This. In light of recent volatility, we are restricting transactions for certain securities to position closing only. However, due to unreasonable risk involved in brokering your position, we have closed your 5,500 shares of GME for an average price of $118.93 on January 28th, 2021 at 11:24 a.m. I'll be definitely coming back and watching this video in the future because this is history. Look how these meme stocks are trading. Nokia, on its 5-day chart, it hit a death cross and then it went up. Okay? Then it hit a golden cross and went down, then hit a death cross. You can't really do any type of charting techniques to gauge where the stock is going because, I mean, this thing's running on pure hype. There's a lot of pressure downward, a lot of pressure upward. It's literally a war in these stocks. And, you know, the main battleground, the main place is GameStop. And let's see how it's doing. Look, okay, so we see, let's look at the 5-day chart. Okay, so we see a death cross, went down, then rallied, hit a golden cross, went up a little bit, went down, hit a death cross. So these things are just trading wildly. Just, you know, so you just gotta hop in, hold on, hold them diamond hands if you want to. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm doing what I'm doing, and you can see what I'm doing. If I make mistakes, learn. If I make gains, learn. You know, this is all entertainment purposes. Let's look at BlackBerry. Death cross, rally. Okay. Golden cross, it dropped. Like, wow. Like, golden cross, it dropped. You see this? These things are trading so crazy. Like, they're hitting golden crosses and dropping and hitting death crosses and going up. They're doing the exact opposite of what Historica data has said. You know, let's look at Bath and Beyond. 5-day, and they're trading similar. So I mean, so we see death cross, okay, sell off. Golden cross, sell off. So crazy, so crazy. Like, I've never seen anything like this. When stocks hit a golden cross or a death cross, it's not a for sure thing that they're gonna do what they're supposed to do, or what people think they are most likely to do. But, you know, like, a lot of times they do. You know, they're just ways you can kind of try to predict, speculate where the price is moving. All right, so we see a death cross.